Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to clear Gmail inbox quickly using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for gmail.com. And now once you're here, you can see this box here at the upper left corner or side of your screen. So I just want to click that. Oh, I'm just gonna do it right here. So again, click on here, and then you can see the delete option or button here at the upper part of your screen. So just go ahead and click on that. And now your promotions tab is now empty. But I want you to do is to click here on more at the left side of your screen and click on trash. And then here you can see all of your deleted email. And if you want to delete this, again, click here at the select option at the upper left side of your screen and click delete forever. So let's just wait. So now as you can see that there's a emails left. So there's another way to delete your trash all at once. Okay, by clicking empty trash now here at the upper part of your screen and click on OK. So that's it. That is how you clear your Gmail inbox quickly using your computer. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.